Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are my return subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. Today we're making an effective juice for weight loss using these three ingredients: apple, grapefruit, and 1 piece of ginger. Firstly, I'm going to prep up my grapefruit and apple. So guys, I'm now going to cut up my apple in half. Okay guys, now that my apples are prepped, I'm now going to prep up my grapefruit. Firstly, I'm going to chop the top and the bottom off. And I'll slowly peel it off. Okay guys, now that all my ingredients are prepped, it's now ready to put them all into my speed blender. Okay guys, first goes in my ginger. It helps boost the immunity system. Next, my grapefruit. Grapefruit is very high in vitamin C. And finally my apples, and I'll add a bit of water. Apples are part of your 5 a day and are very beneficial for weight loss. Just enough to the level of your ingredients. I'll now cover and blend for 30 to 40 seconds. Okay guys, this is my freshly blended up juice. Let's have a look at it. Nice. I'm now going to sieve it into my jug. Just going to sieve it in. Get rid of all that fibre. Time to pour it in. Okay guys, this is my very beneficial juice for weight loss done. Let me know in the comment section below which country you're watching me from. As we are now coming to the end of the video, kindly like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.